Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chidio Girl. If you see my face for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by at our channel. Please hit the subscribe button. We really need you to subscribe to our channel because we need you. We cannot be making videos for people that don't know ghost or something. Do you understand? So please subscribe. We want you to join this family. Don't dull us. Don't miss out. That's just the long and short. Don't miss out. So today I'm going to be making akara. So with what's it called? Bean flour. So this is actually the first time I'm making it. I've never made it before. So we're going to make it together, guys. If it is nice, all of us we know. If it is not nice, all of us we know. So I know when I was much younger, I made akara. I tried making akara with beans, as in washed beans, but it was flat. I think it was flat because the consistency was too light. So now I'm older and I have more knowledge about cooking. I know that akara consistency is a bit thicker. So that is the grain we're going to be using. So let us go and make, akara today. Besides, I just came back from school. I don't know what to eat, so I just decided to do this video. So stay tuned as we go and make our akara. Hi guys, so these are the ingredients we are going to be using. So we need the bean flour, vegetable oil, salt, Maggi. I like Niger pot. What's it called? Red peppers, onions, and habanero peppers, like Scotch bonnet, Joe. English. So I'm just gonna clean the red pepper and the onion and blend it together with my Scotch bonnet peppers, for the mixture. Just dice everything nice and smooth. Dice it properly, nicely, so that the machine will be able to blend it, the onions and everything. And I'm gonna put 1 cup of water into this. It's 1 cup of water I'm going to use to blend it because it is still the same 1 cup of water that we're going to use and mix the bean flour. So now I'm putting 1 cup of bean flour into a bowl, stainless bowl. It must not be stainless, it can be any type of bowl. So I'll pour 1 cup of bean flour into it. Then I'm going to pour the paste, the mixture, into the bowl, and I'm going to mix everything together. So you have to mix it very well, like till you get a perfect consistency. When I mix it very well, like you're mixing cake, just mix it. You don't need any lumps, you don't need any, unnecessary bubble in it. You need everything to be nice and smooth, and also be checking the consistency when you're making it. Don't allow it to be too watery or too thick. If not, if it's too watery, it will be that you're frying more. And if it's too thick, it will choke somebody in the person eating it. It won't be, fluffy, crispy. People love akara to be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. That's one thing you should have in mind. Then I go on and put my seasoning. I put Maggi Niger pot. I love Niger pot, and Maggi Niger pot is a bit salty, so I'm not going to put extra salt like that. I'm just going to put small salt because Niger pot is already very salty on its own. Then you mix and mix and mix and mix till you get it perfect. So now we put a tiny piece of onion into the oil to know if the oil is ready. Oh, it is sizzling. That means the oil is ready for us to start putting the akara. So you put it, I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop it little by little into the oil. My prayer was at this point, let it not start flattening out. If it started flattening out, I'll just stop and pack. But it did not. So thank God. Thank God. So you just keep putting it, arranging it anywhere you see space in the oil, you put it like, when you're frying something. I used an ice cream scoop because I felt it was going to be easier for me than using, and it was going to give me mini portions because that's what I wanted, sha. So yeah, at this point you want to turn it now that the akara is floating up. It means that the other side is ready, so it's time for you to flip it over. And then I reduced the heat because I felt it was too, like, the thing was done too fast. I was scared. It's not outside not be burnt and inside will not be done. So I turned down the heat a bit, but usually it doesn't stay long after that, and then you have to, remove it from there. So I just put tissue in this thing and start removing it, so that the tissue will help reduce the oil. Yeah, so that's what I did. It's like bean cake. So this is bean flour. Yes. You felt it.
I'm gonna taste the spice sauce.
Okay, I'll taste it.
It's good though. It's good. Oh my god. So what side is it? Just squished up beans?
No. It's bean flour.
Uh-huh.
So this, let me taste it. Nice. I tried. See, look how they look. So it's very red, like very red, like homemade akara, and it's not flat. That's the main point, that it's not flat. I got it this time. It's really good. And you had my housemate. She tasted it, but she doesn't like spicy. Try it. So give me a thumbs up after watching this video. I'm not gonna leave a little tip. It's not always good to leave things very casual. So I'm just gonna do something a little bit extra. I will call it akara sandwich. So it's just gonna be a little extra, when you want to. Yes, the regular bread and akara, but you could actually do something different, in the sense that you could, you must not be the regular casual, the regular, don't say bread, drop akara. Don't be local. This is 2020. Upgrade with all of us. So that's what I'll be showing you next. Stay tuned if you want to know how I did that. So we're going to be making akara sandwich. So I have butter. I rub butter on the back of the bread and place it on the sandwich maker. Just do it for the 2 slices of bread. Then I'll cut the akara and put it in the middle of the bread. It's just the same thing, but this in life, everything's about presentation. This is the one I would do now. Somebody be selling akara on the road and be collecting 10 naira, be 20 naira per piece of akara. I will do this one now, be collecting 50 or 100 naira from you. 50 naira, that's extra 40 naira for just what? Presentation. So this life is all about presentation, So you just do it, close the sandwich maker and allow it to cook. Those of you preparing for Valentine, this is good for you to present to your hubby. You don't know what's inside. You're thinking it's sandwich, meanwhile it's bread and akara.
art teachers because I was so into the philosophy in school and we were like, but
It's amazing.
I was amazing.
I've never tried doing
Today
like
was kind of sad being here. because
the
I
whole
seen how
toasting it
much
in a
the-
bread thingy,
like,
but this is
not
good.
taking this without,
The spiciness.
like, the difference of the volume and the taste.
Last batch.
Like there's a lot of there's probably like